Whoa, the horse and the machine, and we have the horse logo here. Hello there guys, welcome to day 2, or technically it's day 2 because last 2 days we've been shooting at MMRT, and that's with the TVS production team. Special thanks to Glenn and Vaibhav and Kevin and their entire team. So that vlog will be uploaded separately. Now we are embarking on a road trip towards Kanyakumari. We'll be taking it slow and easy. We want to enjoy the trip and showcase some beautiful locations for you guys. So we are just warming up the motorcycles, and that's my friend Sharon and his another brother Subin. Both of them are locals from Kanyakumari, so they are subscribers and well-wishers and very good friends, almost like family. So they're going to help us explore the place. So first we are going to Mahabalipuram. That's the kind of destination for today, and let's see how the rest of the road trip goes. Cheers. Okay guys, so really excited for this. Don't know what to expect. That's the best part about road trips. The best road trips happen when they are completely unplanned. So yeah, as I told you, Mahabalipuram, how many kilometers? I don't know, maybe 50 or 60. It's close by only. So first, there is no fuel. We were good, well taken care of here at Sign and Apart Hotel. So I'm hoping get a much better ride now. First need to fuel up because it shows only 1 bar of fuel. So this is Subin's i20. Sharon's driving. Subin is kind of left behind because he has some family work to take care of. He'll be joining maybe at Mahabalipuram or Tarangambadi. Surya is riding ahead, and off we go. Take a U-turn, fuel up as soon as possible. Amazing ride to Mahabalipuram. A lot of stories, things I've heard about Mahabs. Proper bike enthusiasts. I wish I could meet all of them, but now there's no time. Meetup was done yesterday. Few people showed up. It was very good interaction session. Get in here. Normal petrol. So we have fueled up, tank full, you can see. And now Surya, me, Subin, all of us are ready to hit the road. Let's just get going. Lots of heavy vehicles. Big relief is that luggage is all packed into the car, so you can ride freely. Riding with your luggage on is a separate challenge in and of itself. Guy is literally flying on the i20. Be a little watchful, and the city traffic very unpredictable. Still in track mode. Best modes to ride on the RR310. The gear, again I'm wearing the full TVS Performance gear except for the helmet, because my mic setup is perfectly set for the helmet that I use regularly, my AGV helmet. Again, setting it up on the TVS helmet I was unsure whether the mic placement and the audio quality will be on point. So safer bet is to go with the AGV helmet. And let's see how the rest of the road trip turns out. So, தம்பி பேர் என்ன?
தமிழ் தான் நான்.
அதான் தம்பி பேர் என்ன?
அர்ஜுன்.
அர்ஜுன். ஸோ அர்ஜுன்
ஃபாலோவர் தான். நான் இங்கே ட்ரிப்பு போகிறதுல பார்த்தேன்.
ஓகே நீங்கள் இது புது வண்டியா? இது சேம் மாடலா?
Not 1 year back.
ஓகே அது ஃபேண்டம் பிளாக்.
Yeah.
ஸோ வித் ஸ்லிப்பர் கிளச். ஓகே. அது ரொம்ப நன்றி. அதனால தான் நாங்கள் வந்தோம். நீங்கள் பார்த்து நின்றுட்டீங்க எனக்கு தெரிஞ்சு.
I saw you said the Instagram story, so actually my friend also crossed. I said 1 second. Bro. சீக்கிரம் நீ எங்கே இருக்க? பாட்டில் ப்ரோ நான் டைனோஸ் வேர்ல்டு இது பார்த்தேன் ப்ரோ. அந்த டைனோஸ் வேர்ல்டு நான் உனக்கு அமிச்சல. அவர் இங்கே இருக்காரு. இப்போ நான் அவர்கிட்ட தான் நின்றுருக்கேன். அப்படியே வா, அந்த பிடிச்சிட்டு இந்த பிச்சோட ஸ்டார்டிங்கில் தான் வா. He's also a big fan.
Okay, sir.
Discussed. He got the 18 edition.
Okay.
So like now we got I saw the action.
இல்ல ஐயா பரவாயில்லப்பா. அதில் என்ன இருக்குது? சி we are all bikers, we enjoy motorcycles. அவ்வளோதான். நாங்கள் we are just creating content for you guys so that we can share our knowledge with you. அவ்வளோதான். We are heading to Mahabalipuram. அதுக்கப்புறம் அது என்ன தரங்கம்பாடி. தரங்கம்பாடி
is the coastal village.
தரங்கம்பாடி போகிறோம். ஸோ friend is helping me with the route because he is a local.
I'll just come behind you.
So nice to meet a fellow biker brother always. அது நம்ம தமிழ் பையன். சேம் RR 310 சேம் பிஞ்ச் பண்ணலாம். So let's go slow. No need to rush. A friend just Sharon just wanted to take a shot of us just riding along. So let's just stop by here. Have to always stop at a straight stretch because if you're stopping at a corner they won't be able to see you once we find, because this entire thing is a corner. Small useful tips from experience, that's it. I never consider myself a bike guru or a bike expert or anything. I always ensure safety first. See, BS6 is good with riding modes, especially track mode. It is very refined.
This is so bad. I wanted this track mode and that thing.
This
like 3 months before.
But I still like the Phantom Black. I don't know why, but
no, the color is fine. The color is like normal. I wanted this
display. Display is good. You have ride by wire. Of course, you had slipper clutch as well.
Hi,
nice meeting you, pa.
Your subscriber.
Thank you. Enna pere?
I'm Ajmal.
Ajmal.
One of the first people to follow you.
Okay. So nice meeting you. We waited only for you because he said you're coming.
He's
so
excited.
Recording?
Recording.
You're from Ramchandra.
Okay, so yours is first generation model or?
Yeah,
First generation.
Okay, so
Actually, he has that braking problem.
Okay. If there is any issue, just mail me. I'll escalate it to the company. I'll make sure it is solved. Seriya? Kanyakumari we are headed, but we're not in a rush to do it. We want to do it peacefully like people, if we get to meet people like you, more happy. And want to capture good historical places. அவ்வளோதான். இது மோர் லைக் அ வெக்கேஷன் பா. இட்ஸ் நாட் எனி ஒர்க் ஓரியன்ட் ஆர் எனி திங். ஜஸ்ட் வாண்ட் அ பிரேக் ஃபார் மை ரெகுலர் அந்த ரொபாட்டிக் லைஃப். ஷூட் எடிட் ரிப்பீட், ஷூட் எடிட் ரிப்பீட். This is more like that, and just capturing it because lot of them kept requesting why don't you do road trips அதுன்னு. சரின்னு இது ஃபர்ஸ்ட் டைம் ட்ரை பண்ணுறோம் கேப்சர் பண்ணுறதுக்கு and uploading on the go. Let's see how it goes.
Take a picture. Yeah, sir, you're like the only reason, say only like 70% reason for buying this bike is you.
Thanks.